Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we're going to be doing some nail art fun with the kbshimmer Halloween trio and some Maniology plates. So if you enjoy nail art, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Down below I'll have information for you guys about kbshimmer, the website, and all of that, as well as information about Hello Maniology down below and all of that. And don't forget, you can save 10% off of all the products shown here with my code MANIC10. So we're starting out with our first look using Hey There Pumpkin by kbshimmer. So that is one of the coolest orange polishes I have ever seen, and I don't mean cool toned. I mean, I'm loving the neon for this season because it's so bright and it's vibrant, and the color shifting flakies, well, I'll save you all of the rambling and just link the video where I did swatches up above. This is a PR item, so I did receive this for free in exchange for a review, so I thought I'd share some nail art with you guys. So this is the Bad to the Bone plate. I got this in the actual kit. It came along with a polish, which this one is called Haunted. You can purchase it separately. It's a metallic dark brown. And then it also came with a stamping plate, stamper and scraper. So you get all of that for $22. And then if you use my code, you get 10% off as well. I thought it was a wonderful deal, so I had to grab it. And it all comes all neatly tied up in a bag. So I did 2 coats of Hey There Pumpkin on my nails, and it's all dried up now. And I'm showing you the bottle, guys, just in case you don't remember what it looks like or you haven't seen the video yet. So now we are moving on to the stamping part of this. This is also a Maniology polish. This is called Black Magic, which you guys can see is a black holographic polish, which is perfect for if you want to do a black stamping design but add some pizzazz. I decided to do jack-o'-lantern faces because it's pretty popular this year and it's a super easy Halloween mani. I can't stress how easy this is. You just apply the polish, scrape it, remove any excess with a lint roller or tape, or if your scraper does the deal, use it, and then just transfer the image to your nail. Easy peasy, and takes like literally seconds. So I'm gonna get jazzy and use one of the little sayings that's on the plate, and I'm just going to transfer that to my index finger. I always check to make sure that the image has completely picked up, and then I remove the excess so that I don't get all over my cuticles, because I did not use any cuticle tape with this design. So eat, drink, and be scary, and I've got a whole mani all done, nice and easy. Now we're moving on to Bugs and Kisses, also by kbshimmer in this trio. $10, 5 free formula, cruelty free and vegan. So I'm going to go ahead and paint that on my pinky finger and my index finger because I just really could not resist using this polish in a Halloween mani. I think it's so gorgeous. But again, it's in my review and my swatches, but I was really, really impressed with this. I even compared it to hanging with my grill friends in the review video, just in case you were like, I don't know if I need this, let me see. And then this is not an actual nail polish name. It's just some top coat with a few drops of black in it, because I wanted a super, 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 super sheer black nail. I just didn't want gray, and I didn't want anything with any type of opacity to it. So I'm just applying that in 2 coats on my nail. And now I'm looking at designs, and I'm thinking that I'm going to use the scarves design. And this plate is the Bewitched Wizard's Welcome plate. So I was really excited to get this one because it's pretty much Harry Potter themed. It is $7 and I did pay for it. I didn't get this through PR. But I felt like it was a quintessential plate if you guys are doing Halloween manis. And then I'm just grabbing that Happy Halloween at the bottom so that I can put it on my nails because it looks perfect. And then I'm just going to clean the excess off because I just don't want anything else showing up on that sheer nail polish. It would be super noticeable. And yeah, I work all the angles trying to get all that excess off, but not affect the actual design. That's always fun. So, and it actually fit on my nail. If you guys are wondering, I am wearing the liquid cuticle protector by Maniology as well. So you would save 10% off that one too. And then this is going to be by far the most complicated one. This is the Bewitched Plate Potions. So I went ahead, pulled everything off. This one, I'm going to be doing some reverse stamping on it because I really just fell in love with this image from the moment I saw it. Basically, it's like a witch, and I'm pretty sure you guys could see it. So I'm using my rose quartz little thing that I got, and Come Hither from XXVZ Nails. I'll go ahead and link them up above because I've done some PR for them as well, but Come Hither was the closest to like a skin tone for me. The brushes that I just showed you were brushes from the dual-ended set that you can also get from Maniology. I like it for reverse stamping because sometimes you need different size brushes to get into the spaces that you're trying to reverse stamp. So if you run into that kind of situation where a one-size-fits-all brush isn't going to work, it's great to have that set. Also, I've been working on my freehand, so I'm gonna periodically look at the image through my stamper, even though it's a little cloudy, just to make sure that I have filled in all the spots. And then we're going in with Black Magic. Again, this is a polish I did pay for myself for her hair. I wanted to do black hair, but I did not want it to be matte black or flat black. I wanted it to be holographic black hair because that is deserving of the polish that I'm going to be using with this mani. You can't do anything less with the polish that I'm going to be using as the main focus of this mani. So her hair had to be extra special. So I'm just making sure I fill in all the spots. Guys, this is a lot of detail for me. So full on reading glasses were on for this mani because I was having a hard time seeing all the details, but I was able to pick out the hair, I was able to pick out the face, the hat, and I didn't even care about the rest. I was like, forget it, let's just throw some extra color in there because I was not missing out on this stamp. So the polish main focus for this mani is Could Have Had a Bad Witch, which is also part of the KB Halloween trio. and that is going to be available October 1st. I'm going to try to get this video out before then so that you guys will have some ideas of how to use these awesome polishes. And they are like limited edition. After October 31st, they are no longer available. So you do want to save up and grab them if you're planning on grabbing them, because normally KB Shimmer leaves stuff around for a while, but these babies are gone after the 31st. So now I'm just painting in her hat with Coulda Had a Bad Witch, and I'm actually gonna probably end up doing 2 coats because I want it to be super bold for you guys to see. So as you guys can see, I'm like trying to go over that again to make sure that that purple is absolutely vivid for you. And I'm just loving this polish so much that I'm going to actually go ahead and put it on full nails, because I just really want to see it again. I know I swatched it, and I know that you're not supposed to like swatch and then go back and use it again, like in the same season, because obviously you have other stuff to do, but I was really liking this. And then I'm using my Maniology sticky base coat and my Mani Mask cuticle protector before I stamp. So now that I've got my sticky base coat on, I'm putting on that reverse stamp, and I did let it dry fully. That's why I did it before I started painting my nails, because back when I was doing my June PPU video / nail art, it took a while for Drag and Drink to dry on the stamp. And if you've already got an idea of what you want to put on your nails, why not just do it? So I am looking at this, and I was like, that hollow was not rich enough for me. It wasn't vibrant enough. So I'm going in with a regular black nail polish. I think I did Born Pretty maybe. And I'm going to put that right there on the nail. And then I'm going to double stamp over it with the hollow black magic polish so that I can get all of the visual, all of the boldness, and the hollow as well. So I don't usually double stamp, but in this situation, it was definitely called for. So now I'm just showing off that final look. And here's the swatch pick. And we are done with this video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. If you're part of my nail fam, thanks for joining me. If you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing. And as always, if you enjoyed the content, go ahead and hit the like button. Thank you again, guys. See you in my next video. Take care. Bye.